Did you guys know that over 40,000 Americans died of breast cancer last year? I wonder why they don't self-check.
I don't know. Sometimes people think that they're only at risk if it runs in their family.
But a majority of women who are diagnosed don't have a previous history of it.
Yeah, only 15% of the women diagnosed had a family member that was previously diagnosed.
And you know, some women think that if they live a healthy lifestyle that they won't get it either.
Or they're too young.
It doesn't matter how young we are or what kind of lifestyle we live. We are all at risk.
Yeah, I guess some people just don't know how, or they just forget.
Yeah, it honestly takes 5 to 7 minutes. You could do it in the shower.
Right. 40% of breast cancer that was found last year was found by women doing their own self-exams, and they felt a lump.
If they have any questions, they should just ask their doctor. And y'all know, men never think they're going to get it.
Well, you know, the statistic is every 1 in 1,000th man will get breast cancer.
Yeah, but it is more serious among women. 1 in 8 women are diagnosed with breast cancer every year. Look around the room, ladies. There's 25 of us in here. That means statistically 3 of us are going to be diagnosed with breast cancer at some point in our lives. It could be us. Check yourself, save yourself.